So now sometimes we have to use different brackets and so forth in Excel if we're doing operations that require order of operation. And remember, whenever you do math, you have to use BEDMAS for your order of operations. For the first one here, it's just quite straightforward. So this is going to be equals 4 plus 3 plus 2, and 4 plus 3 plus 2 equals 9. Now, the next one, 4 plus 3 times 2. Remember, according to BEDMAS, we have to do the multiplication first. And so this is going to be 4 plus 3 times 2, which is 6. And 4 plus 6 equals 10. So remember, it's the asterisk for multiplication, and you get an answer of 10. Now, just to show you where I got the multiplication symbol from, we go to the Insert tab and over to Symbol, and there's some basic math operators. So you can look for the multiplication. There's also division here, variety of different math operators as well, so you can look for those. And so I click Insert and close, and there's my multiplication sign. So to do this operation, we have to do the work in the bracket. So this is going to be 4 plus 3, which is 7, times 2. Now, we have to put brackets around the 4 plus 3 to tell the computer that's what we want, the operation we want to do first. And times 2 is 14. So 7 times 2 is 14. For exponents, now if we go to the Home tab, and I'm going to highlight, I'm actually just going to delete this. I'm going to create the squared again. So I go to Font, so I'm going to type 2. It's a regular 2, so I go to the Font menu, and one of my choices is Superscript for effects. So I click on Superscript, and that gives me a superscript, which looks like an exponent to the exponent 2. So this is going to be 7 plus 3, which is, 4 plus 3, which is 7, and 7 squared is 7 times 7, which is 49. So here, we're going to type equals, brackets, 4 plus 3, close the bracket. The exponent button is Shift 6, and I'm going to put in 2, and we get the answer 49. Now, for this next question, division, it's going to be equals 12 divided by 2 plus 4. So 12 divided by 2 is 6, plus 4 is 10, and we get our answer. Here we have to do the work in the brackets. It's the same question, but the 2 plus 4 is in brackets, so we have to get that done first. So we can type equals 12 divided by bracket 2 plus 4, close the bracket, and so 2 plus 4 is 6, so it'll be 12 divided by 6, which is 2. And here, this is a division question, so this is 10 minus 6 divided by 2, and we have to do all the work on the top first. So when we write this, when we keep the keystrokes we have to use, we have to put the 10 minus 6 in brackets divided by 2. So 10 minus 6 is 4 divided by 2, so 4 divided by 2 is 2. So we have to actually tell it that. If we had just done it as equals 10 minus 6 divided by 2, you would have done the 6 divided by 2 first, and 6 divided by 2 is 3, so we get an answer of 7 because 10 minus 3 is 7. So you'll just sometimes have to use brackets in order to get the order of operation done correctly.